Black screen, how to fix black screen with no sound when streaming Netflix. Experiencing a black screen with no sound while streaming Netflix can be frustrating. Here are some steps you can try to fix this issue. Basic troubleshooting steps. *1. Restart your device. *Turn off your device and then turn it back on. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for streaming. 3. Update Netflix and your device. Make sure both Netflix and your device's operating system are up to date. 4. Check HDMI connections. If you're using a TV, ensure the HDMI cable is securely connected. Try using a different HDMI port or cable if possible. 5. Disable hardware acceleration. If you're using a browser, try disabling hardware acceleration in the settings. Specific fixes for different devices. Smart TVs. Restart your TV and check for any available firmware updates. Mobile devices. Restart your phone or tablet and ensure your Netflix app is updated. Computers. Ensure your browser is up to date and try using a different browser if the issue persists. Advanced troubleshooting. 1. Clear cache and data. Clear the cache and data for the Netflix app on your device. 2. Reinstall Netflix. Uninstall and then reinstall the Netflix app. 3. Check for interference. Ensure there are no other devices or apps that might be interfering with the streaming. Contact Netflix support. If none of these steps work, you may need to contact Netflix support for further assistance.